Produção e mixagens DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
Tonight, so bring your body with you, baby, and I know you'll feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Stop get in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the night. That's free stuff, you ain't nowhere hot. Stop get in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the night. That's free stuff, you ain't nowhere hot. Everybody will be dancing to the beat on the floor. You will encounter situations never thought of before. Satisfaction guaranteed, if you know what I mean. And when you walk into the door, it's such a freaky scene. Stop get in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the night. That's free stuff, you ain't nowhere hot. In the words I speak, we will be rocking like this every night of the week. And all you fellas, tell the ladies don't stop the rock, because you know that we'll be jamming all around the clock. To a party, and what did I see? The girls were wearing leather skirts and see-through jeans. I asked the DJ to tell me what was going on. He said freestyle's having a freak-a-thon. Stop get in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all your freaks, don't stop the night. A freak-a-thon. Stop get in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all your freaks, don't stop the night. A freak-a-thon. Tonight, so bring your body with you, baby, and I know you'll feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Stop get in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the night, will blow your mind. Stop get in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. And the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock. That's freestyle sticking and you know we're hot. Freestyle sticking in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock. That's freestyle kicking and you know we're hot.
dinossauro do som.
Showing your face around town, I hear your love for me was always insincere. Then you went away, and my heart was left here to stay. 'Cause I know, and you knew, we would never return. Now I see how you can be. I guess I never learned. Open eyes, give me what I
never have I had a love that I loved so much, and it was gone out the door, just like the wind.
Me loving you, but you had a desperate heart, and so did I. Dreams that we made, were they all in vain? How could you let it go so far? You was calling out my name as we made love through the night. You told me that you love me, but you're gone. Now you're gone. So I walk into the world of tomorrow. I hide behind the raindrops of sorrow. Dream of a love that could have been, but now you're gone forever. My love, my girl, just like the wind. No, 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 just like the wind. How many times deep down inside I've asked the question why? If you love me like you said you do, why aren't you by my side? Why deny that there's no hope if you don't give our love a try? Steal my heart, commit the crime, then push me aside. Act like you never loved me when I can see love through your eyes. You finally realize that I'm standing all alone as you walk away. I'll take four, girl, with nothing else to say. So I walk into the world of tomorrow. I hide behind the raindrops of sorrow. Dream of a love that could have been, but now you're gone forever. My love, my girl, just like the wind. No, 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 just like the wind. She took her love away from me, and I loved her so much. She hurt me so bad, but she was gone out my life, just like the wind. Feeling like a love that I never had. Gone. Walk into the world of tomorrow. I hide behind the raindrops of sorrow. Dream of a love that could have been, but now you're gone forever. My love, my girl, just like the wind. No, 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 just like the wind.
Come on, y'all.
in the house, jump, jump, rejoices. There's a party over here, a party over there. Wave your hands in the air, shake the dairy, yeah. These three words mean you're getting busy. Whoop, there it is, hit me. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is.
DJ Renato Lopes, a dinossauro do som.
Upside down and inside out, I'm about to show all you folks what it's all about. Now it's time for it to get on the mic and make this motherfucking party hot. I'm taking it back to the old school, cause I'm an old fool who's so cool. If you wanna get down, I'ma show you the way. Whoop, there it is, let me hear you say whoop, there it is. Come on, y'all. Whoop, there it is. A little louder. Whoop, there it is. Come on, y'all. Whoop, there it is. Louder. Whoop, there it is. Come on, y'all. Whoop, there it is. A little louder. Whoop, there it is. Come on, y'all. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, shaka, 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 shaka. Whoop, shaka, 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 shaka. Whoop, shaka, 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 shaka. Whoop, shaka, shaka, shaka.
Point blank, gin and juice I drink and bent as I puff on dank. Rock the mic, uh-oh, I crave skin rip shit. Find a honey dip to dip it in. Slam dunk it, stick it, flip it and ride that B-double-O-T-Y, oh my. Ooh, that's it, come on, whoop, there it is, I'm done. Whoop, come on, whoop, there it is. Louder, whoop, give it to me. Whoop, come on, whoop, get louder. Whoop, let it in. Whoop, come on, whoop, yeah.
Some say I'm crazy cause I'm pushing up daisies. The underground sound that you have found amazing, outstanding, demanding, commanding you people dancing. That's a breath taker. I produce aka The Undertaker. You wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel. Can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it? We can dig it. Can y'all dig it? We can dig it. Can you dig it? We can dig it. Can y'all dig it? We can dig it. Can you dig it? We can dig it. Can y'all dig it? We can dig it. Can you dig it? We can dig it. Can y'all dig it?
W-H-O-O-M-P as I flow to the fly shit from the school of old. Hardcore, kick the folklore wreck. 3 to the 2 and 1 mic check. Mass skill blow ill on the mess of steel. That's the grill of the microphone I just killed. Party people, wish your party tag team is through. Whoop, there it is, I thought you knew. Whoop, there it is. 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 Yeah, tag team music coming straight at ya. That's me, DC, the brain supreme, and my man Steve Rowland. Bring it back, y'all, bring it back, y'all, bring it back. Here we go. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop,
Have you guys heard that new song by Tag Team?
What song is that?
You go, girl. He is singing that to me.
You don't even know him. This song is for
Oh,
cidade.
Aqui toca só as melhores.